Hello everyone, I'm so excited because I just received my package from Unlean Meat, and this is a vegan plant-based jerky. It's good for your health and it's good for the environment, and it's high protein as regular beef jerky. So I'm going to unbox these today and do a little taste test and let you guys know my thoughts. All right, so let's try the Korean barbecue flavor. So I'm just going to open this up and see what it tastes like. Okay, so that was delicious, and my first impression was the fact that this really tasted like meat, even though it's not meat. The texture was just so meaty and really delicious and filling. And then as for the flavor, it has a really nice jerky flavor. It kind of has a little bit of a salt taste, and then it also tastes like the Korean barbecue flavor. So I think the Korean barbecue flavor would be so great as a snack. I personally would eat it with some cheese and some pretzels, and then it would just make a very delicious and protein-filled snack. Now let's move on to the hot and spicy flavor. I'm really excited to see what this tastes like. Once again, this hot and spicy flavor really tastes like meat, which is so incredible. I really love that about this, and I personally think this hot and spicy flavor would go so well with a nice beer. I am so in love with my new vegan plant-based jerky, so you guys definitely have to go check them out.